In this video, I'm going to be educating you guys on AI image generation. This shit is absolutely cracked. It's going crazy for a lot of the brands we work with, and especially even utilizing AI ads in this day and age saves you a lot of money. Let's not waste any time. Make sure you guys like, comment, sub. Let's jump straight into this fucking video. All right, let's get into before and afters when it comes to images. You can kind of tell this is the old image and then this is a new image. It is pretty fucking cracked, and we already started running a lot of these on ads and it's been converting like crazy. And now we got NBA Youngboy right here. This one's insane too. This is the original image right here, and then boom, this is what AI cooked up. Absolutely broken, chat. And just to put something into context, this does not take too long. You don't need to have crazy skills. Literally anyone could do this. So really dial down. Make sure you guys are subbed because I'm about to be dropping a lot of AI sauce. You guys really want to learn this shit. So let's jump into it. Now, the software that I like to use is called Google Gemini. I like to use the pro plan. By the way, they don't pay me to say this, but the free plan gives you results, but pro plan gives you a lot better results. It comes out a lot better. So I recommend using Google Gemini Pro Plan. Now I'm about to hop into the actual software and show you how to use it. I'm going to teach you guys the basics on prompting after. However, I'm going to kind of walk you guys through the actual chat I had with them. So boom, hopping in, this is the first image I attached. And then the second image was Central Cee just wearing a random normal outfit. And then this is what it came up with. Prompting is a very detailed thing. At the end of the day, you can't just have a simple prompt and then expect it to convert. It's not how it goes. You really have to sit down and talk to it because sometimes it's gonna mess it up. So scrolling down, let's look at another one I did. So boom, this was my first image. This was my second image, and then same thing, picture of Central Cee. This is what it cooked up. It kind of messed his face up in this, I'm not gonna lie. So I was like, I don't know if I wanna use this, but I asked it to redo it. It just made it worse. So sometimes you're gonna run into issues. You have to be good at troubleshooting. AI takes a lot of time. Scrolling down, this was one of the images I attached of a model wearing it, and then the actual t-shirt. Boom, it put the t-shirt on cinch. The face is kind of distorted, so it was like, all right. But then it gets better. We got Lil Durk right here. So same two images, the image of the old model wearing it, then the second image right here of the actual product. And then I found this picture online of Lil Durk just wearing a normal fit. I thought it would honestly just make the t-shirt fit on it, and it honestly did its thing. Fucking came out pretty crisp. And just to put something into context, I just launched this ad and it already started converting. So next, NBA Youngboy. First two pics, like I mentioned, cool, clear, detailed pics. Found this pic online. Boom. This one came out crazy. I'm not gonna lie. This one came out fucking insane, chat. This one messed up. Like I mentioned, some are gonna mess up. I put a picture of V's. It low-key kind of cooked it, so I was like, I'm not even gonna bother. But then the little baby one, this was the original pic like I was showing you guys earlier. Same two pictures. Boom. Like, I got these prompts down. I sat down for a cool 8 to 10 hours coming up with different types of prompts. So if you do want to get the exact prompts, I'll put a link in bio, but I'm still going to teach you how to prompt after. But let's keep getting into it. So this is where it kind of messed it up. I asked it for the t-shirt, but somehow it just put the tracksuit on, which actually did come out pretty fire. So, I mean, honestly, like, this is kind of broken when it comes to making different types of ad creatives for clothing brands. Now, I'm not saying do it with every celebrity, because you might get a DMCA or they might send you a C-shirt. I'm just educating. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm not even doing this. This is AI generated. But honestly, yeah, just you could even swap out different fashion models and just put it on someone who's in a nice scenery if you want. But this is just for education purposes. Educate yourself. Now, if you do run a clothing brand, this is an absolute game changer. So this was a digital mock-up I had right here. This is not a real picture of a hoodie. This is a digital mock-up. Scrolling down, it ended up generating a hyper-realistic digital mock-up that actually looks real. So let's say you're cooking up a collection, but you don't actually have the clothes on hand. No fucking, it don't matter. You could just cook it up with AI and it'll actually make it look legit. Until the bulk comes in, just use this. Scrolling down, I'm like, I want a little bit more zoomed out because Gemini does give this little logo here, free game. You just crop that out and no one will know it's Gemini. It has like all the shading too. Hence why I mentioned prompting is key. You have to really sit down and really tell it what you want. If you can't tell it what you want, it's not gonna come out how you want it to be. Once we go through this example, I'll actually sit down and show you some simple prompts and how I actually sit down and think about prompting. However, this specific example I'm about to show you is a game changer when it comes to brands. If you thought the one before this was crazy, this one is even more crazier. So I found this picture online from another brand of like a cool studio photo shoot they had with a model, and I'm like, okay, cool. I want you to put this on the actual model. Now, we still haven't had the photo shoot, so I'm like, okay, cool. Maybe we could, play around with AI, and game changer, chat. Game fucking changer. Boom. If you thought that was crazy, you scroll down, same shit. The old AI image I cooked up, y'all see this? I just reattached it. You scroll down. Sauce. Straight sauce. You can get like a little hint of all these prompts I sat down and cooked up for 10 hours. You want to get them? That's link in bio. I'll still show you how to prompt. I'll still educate you on that. But this took a lot of time and a lot of sauce. This is game changing. Now, when it comes to even making AI images, you need to have a goal for each image and what you want to do. So for this one, let's say Lil Durk outfit. This is what I searched up and I found this. Now I'm going to use one of the mockups from one of the brands we work with and just show you a simple basic tutorial on the thinking behind the prompt. Once you're in Google Gemini, the picture I attached is this hoodie right here, and then the picture of Lil Durk. Now this is where you have to get a little bit detailed. So when it comes to the prompt, you have to guide it. So I'm gonna talk while I type. I have bad ADHD anyways. I want you to look at image 1, pay attention to the details of the hoodie, and I want you, to attach this hoodie to image 2. Replace the jacket the model is wearing. So replace the jacket the model is wearing with image 1, keeping everything natural and hyper realistic. And then make lighting look natural. Do not make any creative changes unless I ask. Do not distort any faces. Keep it natural and hyper realistic. And then right down here, you guys can see create image. I'm gonna do that. By the way, this is just a basic prompt. This is not the prompt I was using because it took me a very long time to make those, but you'll get the hint. It'll make sense. So let it load. It takes a sweet second to load. So until then, let me just show you guys another video. While the AI is cooking up and doing this thing, I'm just gonna show you what I cooked up last night when I got bored. This is off another AI I actually recently found. I'm still learning it, but I've kind of cracked a lot of things. If you do want a video on that, make sure you guys comment down and ask for the video. I got you. Just watch. Made a like, guys, is this like, just watch that again. How is that even? AI is absolutely cracked. The Ray is about to crack into it 10 times harder and just cook up. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Going back to the original conversation we had with the AI with the free prompt that I just kind of came up with. Not too bad. Well, the hoodie, I don't think the hoodie fits like this, but it still kind of did its thing. Now, with the other AI I was talking about, it can actually upscale the images and make them look 4K or higher. I'm still playing around with it, but I'm gonna keep you guys posted in the next couple of videos. I'll show you guys one more prompt after this that'll kind of help, and then yeah, we're gonna have a lot more videos incoming, so stay tuned. Now in this prompt, I'll show you my thinking in terms of making this image come to life since it is a digital mock-up. I'm gonna try my best with this one, but pay attention to this image I attach. It is a digital mock-up. Can't type from up. I want to bring to life. It's 400 GSM, 100% cotton, DTG print, zip up. Make this a studio flat lay and outline shadows behind it. And let's see what it cooks. Now, this is what it cooked up. It's kind of decent. It has like a little bit of the shadows. It did make it look a lot more realistic compared to the other one, but it zoomed it in. So like I said, with proper prompting, you can actually get it to look a lot better. But look, this one didn't even have the zipper properly, and then if you go in here, it makes the zipper look hyper realistic. So that is fucking insane. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment down what you want to learn next. I'm making a lot of content on AI, business, finance. I'm gonna do vlogs here and there because I like enjoying, I enjoy vlogging. But anyways, like I was saying, whatever you want to learn, even mindset shit, I got a lot of game on my YouTube where I teach you guys for absolutely free. So you could go lock in, go watch those videos, and just change your fucking life, man. Put the work in.